If you've ever struggled to locate where to actually enter into the market, where you want to sell, where you want to buy, then this video is really going to help you out, because one of the best tools that I have come across and that I've been using is the single print extension locator on the footprint chart. So what it does is, when there's an area of aggressive movement that doesn't really let both sides of the market trade, what you're going to get is single prints or zero prints. Meaning, if you run through an area on NASDAQ or the S&P and it goes so quickly just through a bunch of orders, one of the sides of the market, right, the bid side or the offer side, is going to be either zero prints or single prints. Why this is effective is because this is a very aggressive move that could be a stop run, or it could just be aggressive buying, aggressive selling. That's very directional, meaning that when you have extensions from those areas, there's a high probability you're going to find support resistance. For instance, you have this blue single print extension over here where you had this large imbalanced move to the upside, but now we've flipped lower. These guys are absorbed. So when we come back into this area, that's going to be the location where I'm going to try to trade from to see if there's a continuation to the downside. It's the same thing over here. You have this zero print extension, and on the immediate pullback candle, you get this very strong move from 275 on NASDAQ all the way up to 350, right? You're getting a huge, about 80-point move just out of this single print locator. So if I'm confused as to where I want to buy or sell, obviously contextually speaking, I want to stay on side of the market, but these single print extensions or zero print extensions really tell me where the aggression is at the market, so I can participate on continuations of pullbacks, or I can view them as potential reversals in price when prices get above them, and use them as springboards for stop runs. So order flow has a lot of different tools and uses, and we have to remember that the reactions and the aggressive reactions with speed are what is going to generate strong areas to trade from. And this is exactly one of those. Aggression and speed all come together with this single print locator. So if you want to learn more about this, check out TradeProAcademy.com.